Hi everybody, this is Kathy from Kathy's Creative Crafts and More. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm so excited to present to you guys today. I am on Sandis Decorate Your Life design team. Yay! I'm so excited, you guys. OMG, her designs are amazing. So again, it is from Decorate Your Life here on YouTube, and let me go ahead and show you. I'm like so nervous, you guys. So let me go ahead and show you. This is her webpage. Let me see if I could get this brighter. There you go. Hope you guys could see that. And when you go into her main page, I'm just going to go ahead and to her main page. If you ever want to see her digitals or anything, you go into shop, as you guys saw, and then you go into scrapbook printable paper. Go right there, and then it actually tells you the winter scrapbook downable printable paper, the spring scrapbook downloadable. I can't say downloadable. Oh my goodness, you guys, I got tongue twist already. So the spring, and now she has the summer. So excited. I'm gonna go ahead and go over to the spring, and these are the ones that she has for spring right now, you guys. OMG. So she's made it a lot simpler. Amazing. Yay. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you this one, which is the scrapbook paper pack Easter Dreams. So when I first saw it, well, I just saw this part right here, but I did not see it completely until I went in here. And you know, you guys, what caught my attention was this little cute girl, and then I saw that one and I was totally in love. So you guys, I will link down on the description below my affiliate link, and it will actually take you down straight to this page. If you are interested in this paper, just be aware that this is a downloadable sorry you guys, digital paper that you will be able to print on your printer. It is a colored, so if you guys have black and white, you know, of course, unless you want to print black and white, or you have a friend's printer that, you know, prints, you know, colored, use theirs. But just be aware it is a digital. It is not a paper pack. If you are interested in a paper pack, you can always go in here, and then you will see the printed paper packs, and then you could go to the spring book collection and it will show you here, and those are the prices for them. Okay, I honestly, you could buy this one, and if you have a printer, also buy the printable one. You guys, you can reprint this over and over and over at no additional cost. You're only paying $3.99, and that's for 7 digitals. I don't know about you guys, but when I honestly, when I get a paper pack, I don't want to use it. I don't want to use it because it's probably the last one I will ever see ever again. So having these and this option of printing over and over, it is amazing. And oh my gosh, you guys, isn't she lovely? And look, I'm showing you this, but honestly, I should be showing you the actual paper. And if you guys see any glare, I do apologize. I haven't recorded in a while, so I'm still getting used to remembering how to go and do this again. So let me go ahead and show you the printable, or the printable, that once you print them out, this is what they look like. Okay, so there you go. So just be aware, like I said, it is a digital, and when you print them out, look at how beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys, look at the little flowers here, and oh my gosh, the wreaths right here with the eggs. Oh my gosh, so many projects come in mind in what to make with these. So there's one, here is the other one. How cute. And always, you can always use this as a background, and it has so many flowers. You guys, I do not know the names of the flowers, so I do apologize. And here she is, you guys. Isn't she beautiful? OMG. And you are guys gonna see what I ended up creating for this one. So there you go. And there's another one. and I'm actually working on a project for this one. So you guys, almost forgetting, Sandy is being so generous that she is giving away one digital. So you guys, it's gonna be for this collection. You guys, oh my gosh, you guys can always enter me on the description below if you guys are interested. Do make sure you are a subscriber of mine, and you are also subscribed to Jennie. I'm thinking of Jennie. Hi, Jennie. Sandis, Decorate Your Life. I will link everybody down on the description below who it is part of the design team. Jennie is one. Susan Tootsie Tucker is one. Brian, Tina's Crafty Life. And there are so many other ladies on here. OMG. So like, you guys go over, I will also link them down on the description below, like I said, so you guys could go over and check them out, check out their beautiful projects that they end up creating. And oh my gosh, and like I was saying, Sandy will have a giveaway, and I will announce that giveaway for this digital, okay, you guys, next week. And like I said, press enter me here, and it is going to be a digital. It's not going to be, you know, printed or sent out to you at all. So do make sure. But if you guys want to play around with this, I will link the affiliate link down in the description below. That will take you directly to this digital. So like I said, if you guys want to look at it, and here you go. Oh my goodness, these are so cute. I love her digitals. And like I said, I'm working on one right now, and I will show you guys that one next week. And so let me go ahead and show you guys what I've created so far. This is one right here. This is a little bag I made, and I hope you guys could see it okay. So there you go. So I went ahead and put stickles all over here so it could bring it out, and I put a stickle on the middle of the flower right there, and on the nose. And you guys, I just wanted to make it simple. I wanted this to be the main focus. I didn't want to add stuff around it at all, but I did feel like it did need this trim right here, and I honestly love it. It's a little bag, a gift bag. So there you go. And then I also created, put her to the side, I also created these right here, and this one as well. Look at you guys, how cute. So I put stickles around here, I put stickles right here, I popped it up, I did put some trim right here, you guys can see some lace trim, and then I put these enamel or beads up here. And isn't that cute? Oh my goodness, look at you guys, so cute. And then I found these extra ones that I had laying around. I put some trim right here, and then I had this sweet die cut. I don't know where it came from. It just popped out at me and said, here I am. And then look at that, I just fuzzy cut this around here, and then this actually right here is part of this one. So once I cut this out, I had this as extra, and that's what I ended up doing with that, so no paper was left behind. And then I have one more, and then I made this cute little rosette. Isn't that cute? So it did have, it's from the die cuts, and oh my goodness, let me see. Let me see if I can find them. Here they are. And this is where you find the little girl here, and this other little girl. And then here, all I went ahead and did, actually what I did is I fuzzy cut this one, I layered this one, and then I layered this one on top. So that's what I ended up making. And I actually had this trim paper that I had made, and I just made it into a rosette. And that's it, you guys. So like I said, I will link everybody from the design team down in the description below. Go over, check them out. I will also link Sandy's shop down on the description below, as well as her YouTube channel, and like I said, my affiliate link, and that will take you directly on to the site. And thank you everybody for taking the time to watch, and we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.